Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. As the title suggests, I am doing a pin unboxing video. We're going through them. There's quite a few boxes. Figured this is a fun video to post, and I love opening mystery pin unboxings. So I made a huge box lunch and Hot Topic purchase the other week, whatever, and we're gonna kind of go through them. So if this is your first video with me, thank you so much. If this is a returning video, you are the best. Love you. Thank you for coming back, and welcome to all of you. Today we are unboxing the Disney Princess Castle pins from Box Lunch Hot Topic, one of those. So they are mystery pins. They retail for $9.90, and there is one pin per box, and it's random. So we're hoping to get all 6 of these pins. I am particularly hoping for Beauty and the Beast's castle, the Frozen castle. Yeah, those are my 2. Ooh, that would be pretty too. Tiana's castle. Yeah, so, you know, they're all cute. So without further ado, let's get into it. Box number 1. And we have Jasmine? No. Oh, this must be Tangled Castle. And what's super cute, these are super tiny, so let's see if it'll focus, but you can kind of see them in there, if it'll focus. You see them? You see the little characters inside? That's super cute. So I think this is Tangled. Super pretty. Good number 1. Box number 2. Which one would you want? Let me know in the comments down below. And box number 2, we have Cinderella's castle with the clock on midnight. Super pretty. I don't know, I love these pins. They're kind of tinier than I was expecting, but I might be biased because I did kind of just open some other ones from Disney. Continuing on, but honestly, the tiny pins are also good because my pin boards are looking a little cramped lately. Let me know down below if you'd want a pin collection tour. Ooh, okay, we have, is this Mulan? Look at how sparkly, super sparkly. Cute. Okay, box number 4. Oop, and our first duplicates. Still super pretty though. I love the sparkles. They all have sparkles, I guess, but that's like a lot of sparkles. Box number 5. Da, 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 da. Come out. Oh, and our second duplicate, Cinderella's castle. Still super pretty. We have one more chance for a new guy. Fingers crossed. Cross your fingers, cross your toes, cross your hair, cross your ears. Choop. And, ooh, yeah, we've got Tiana's Palace. Oh, this is probably my favorite. It's so pretty. I love the purple. Super, super pretty. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, that's so fun. I love this. It just brings me joy. Come on, like how can you not be excited? Okay, so that being said, I am missing Aladdin. I'm missing these top two. I think it's Beauty and the Beast and Aladdin, I believe. So if you want to trade, please let me know. I've got an extra Cinderella and an extra, I think, Mulan. I don't know. Let me know down below. What palace is this? Is it Mulan? Am I right? Am I wrong? Let me know. I have these two. Feel free to message me on Instagram. My Instagram link is down below, and I'd love to trade with you. So thank you so much if you are still here for watching till the end. I really do appreciate it, and thank you, thank you, thank you, just thank you. I have so much fun doing this. Thank you for letting me share my passion with you. Without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.